Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Good Vibes. I'm really grateful to all the people who watched my videos. Thank you so much to every one of you who sent me those good wishes and good messages. It is really motivating. I was not expecting this, but I'm overwhelmed. Thanks a lot. Before wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So the first thing which I will talk about the shampoos. I will talk about two shampoos. The first shampoo is this shampoo which I use. It is called Expert Series and it is from their Absolute Repair range. It is the L'Oreal Professional range. So this is how it looks. I hope my camera is picking it up. I will link everything in the description box, so don't worry about taking any screenshots or anything. This shampoo retails for $15.65. You will be thinking that it is an expensive shampoo. Yes, it is an expensive shampoo, but then if you get a big bottle like this, it goes a long way. So if you can easily use it for 6 months and you don't really have to bother of getting a new one. So it looks like it is expensive, but actually if you divide that 1500 by 6 months, it is hardly anything on a monthly basis. So it is a great shampoo to go for. Now again, this shampoo is for people who have extremely dry and frizzy hair, and this will give your hair that creamy effect and it will smoothen it out. But if you don't have that dry hair, and if you have wavy hair, then you can go for one more shampoo from the same range. It comes in a purple color. I will not take the name because I will probably butcher it, so I will leave it here. So this is the shampoo which I'm talking about. So this shampoo is for people who have wavy hair, and it really helps to keep the treatment intact. So it will help you to keep the hair straight and silky once you're getting it done. And this is the shampoo which really is recommended by the professionals in the salons. So moving on, my next segment is the conditioner. What conditioner you can use? Again, I have two conditioners. One conditioner is again from the same series, Professional Series, Expert Series. This is the same conditioner as the shampoo in the same range. Again, it is a great conditioner. It will help your hair. It will give you hair that creamy effect and leave your hair soft. It will not dry your hair. So it is a great conditioner from the same series. This conditioner retails for 800 rupees. This is slightly expensive, but if you buy a bigger tub, it will really be cost effective as well. So it is a great product to invest in. Moving on, the second conditioner which I don't use since I have a very dry hair. It is this. It is from the same shampoo which I talked about. Again, this is it is a conditioner for the hair whose hair is like wavy, and they can really use it. Moving on, I will talk about hair spa creams. The first cream which I will talk about is this cream, which is called Straight Therapy, and it is a great product to use it. I've been using it for past 5 years. It is amazing on your hair. This will really give your hair that nourishment and smoothness to your hair if your hair is very dry, especially in this winter season. And since I don't have normal hair, so I spoke to few of my friends who could probably advise me what are the best cream which they use for hair spa. So it is this cream. Again, you can get this cream from Amazon or Flipkart. It is an amazing cream. Again, they said, and their reviews were good, so that's why I'm talking about it. So now moving on, how you should take care of your hair. So you have all this product, but it's important to know the right techniques, how to use it. If you do not know that, then probably you're missing on a major thing. So first of all, I will talk about a great oiling product. I have this oil which is from Forest Essential. It is their cold pressed virgin coconut oil. It is an amazing oil, and as you can see, I've already finished so much. I use this oil in lot of my skincare and hair care. This is slightly expensive. This retails for around 825 rupees. So if you think it is expensive, you can probably skip this product or buy any of the cold pressed coconut oil from Amazon. I can link it down for you. If you want, you can use those So, or if you think Parachute works well for you, go ahead and use Parachute. It is very cost effective and it is also a good oil. We have been using Parachute for years. Coconut oil is something which we will talk about. It's not that this, brand, you can use anything. So coconut oil is really good for your hair. And so my next product which I will talk about is hair serum. It is a very important product which you should always apply after washing your hair. Make sure that your hair is little dry so that the serum stays in your hair and it does not really get lost with the water or the dripping water from your hair. So there are two serums which I will show you. One serum is this which I use, which is called Moroccan oil. It is a great serum, or maybe it is oil basically, but it is not that sticky oil which will be there on your hair and it will make your hair oily. This is a great product. It gets absorbed in your hair. It does not make your hair oily at all. You will not even feel that you have applied this oil, and since it is a oil, it is a great product. I highly recommend this. If you have some budget, you can probably go ahead and buy a miniature for this one, Moroccan oil, and try it yourself and see how it works on your hair. Only after that buy this bigger bottle, but then this bottle will actually last you for a very long time. It's been 1.5 years and I've been using it, and I've actually used it only this much, and this is still left. So this much product is still left, and I think it will be there for another, it will go for another 6 months. So great product. You can definitely buy it if you have this much of budget. If you do not wish to invest so much of this money on a hair serum, and I completely understand that a lot of people don't really want to invest that much of money, so you can probably go ahead and go for L'Oreal serum, which is here. I was using it 2 years back, but then I gave it to my mom and I switched to the one which I showed you. Currently I don't have a bottle because, like I said, I gave it to my mom. So it is again a great serum. I was really using that serum for a very long time before switching to Moroccan oil. So that is it. After you've applied a serum on your hair, you can just leave your hair and let it air dry, naturally dry. That is it. So now how you have to use this oil is something which is very important. We will get into the video now. Let's check out. Best coconut oil. I will just see how I apply. You can also heat the oil a little bit, warm it up, and then apply. Always apply oil on your scalp, on the roots, because that's the most important part. It's not necessary that you have to apply oil down on your ends, but if and once oil application is done, I will leave this for 10-15 minutes, and after this we will get into application of cream. So now I just showed you how to use a coconut oil. It is very important to nourish your roots. Oiling is something which is not important for your ends. You can leave your ends. If you want, you can apply it, but it is important that you nourish your roots, and you do that because it will save you a lot of hair fall and I think hair graying. So it is important. How many times you can do oiling, it totally depends on you. Once I'm washing my hair, I will apply oil. I will do oiling and then wash my hair. Oiling it in the right way is very important. If you want, you can really warm this coconut oil a bit and then on your scalp. It really helps in calming down, and it is really good for your scalp and hair roots. Moving on, after applying coconut oil, you will actually apply this cream which I talked about, the straight therapy. I think about spa cream, everybody can talk about that, and I think a lot of people would have recommended you, but how to really use it well and effectively is the most important part. So now just let's go and see how we can use it well. Ignore the noise around it, or maybe I'm in my washroom and trying to show it to you, so please ignore the mess there too. Let's see that. So for the next step, we will be using this cream which is Straight Therapy I will link everything in the description box. I cannot pronounce this name. What we have to do is we have to wet. I will damp my hair and I will amount of the cream and start to apply on. So I will leave this cream in my hair for good 30 minutes and then wash my hair with the shampoo and the conditioner, which I will talk about in the video. Once you've applied your cream like I showed you, you can actually cover your hair with any warm towel. Don't make it very hot. A warm towel. You can just take any towel which you use, put it in a warm water, just remove the entire excess water from the towel and just then cover your hair or cover your head with that towel for some time, probably 15 to 20 minutes. It will give you the best effects. What you have to do is you have to just go ahead and wash your hair. So you have to apply this shampoo and wash your hair. It is applying shampoo in the right way is also very important. You have to apply shampoo only on your scalp. You should not really apply shampoo on your ends because it will make more dry. Then just wash it. After shampooing, you can go ahead and apply a little conditioner on your dry ends and it will help. If you don't have this conditioner, you can completely skip this conditioner and take the same cream again and use it as a conditioner. Leave it on your hair for like few seconds and just wash it. You should not really blow dry your hair because it will probably the goodness or the care which we have just given to our hair will go away. So you just have to leave it and let it naturally dry. Just in case it is absolutely necessary for you to apply a hair dryer and move out of the house, if you have to step out of the house, you can use it on a medium setting. Don't use it on high settings and high temp. So this is how I take care of my hair on a weekly basis, or maybe once when I get time in 15 days I will try and do this. It is really effective and it really helps somewhere improve your hair quality and it will become manageable. Plus this helps in keeping the treatments which you got done previously. So if you have not watched that video, I will link it here. Please go ahead and watch that video. It is on the hair treatment. So after if you're doing all these things which I just talked about, if you're doing it the right way, it will really help you to keep the treatment for a longer time on your hair and maintain the hair quality. So in my previous video, a lot of people pinged me, since a lot of these people who are watching my video already know me, so they pinged me, they reached me out on WhatsApp and they were asking me how we can reduce hair fall and how can we regrow our hair and all that. So I will show you one DIY which is very important. DIY is do it yourself. It is, you just have to go to your kitchen and you have the ingredient. You just have to take that and apply it on your hair. So now let's get into my kitchen and see how that's done. So for this DIY you need some onions, which is this. You will actually grind it. Once you have grinded it, you will get a paste-like consistency. If you want, you can directly apply this in your hair by adding some coconut oil, which I had previously showed you. Or if you want, you can just squeeze it out to get the juice. You can squeeze it out this way to get the entire juice from the onion paste which we have made, which is this. Once you've got the juice, just add some coconut oil and start to use it on our hair. Cotton balls, you will mix it well, you will dip it and squeeze any excess and then take this and apply using these cotton balls and apply it on your scalp and press it on your scalp so that it is there on your scalp for some time. That is it. And then we will start to apply like this on your hair scalp. Once you're done, you have to leave this for some time on your hair for like 15 to 20 minutes and then you can just wash it with the normal shampoo. So you've just watched the onion DIY. Onion is a great source. It really helps you for your hair to grow. It will help your hair, it will maintain the quality of your hair, also help you in reducing the hair fall. A lot of people ask on hair fall, but I have to just tell you one thing here. A lot of times when you're getting excessive hair fall, it is happening for some reason and you should consult a doctor. If it is not excessive, it is somewhere that's something which you were already having, or maybe it is slightly increased from what you were already having, you can use this DIY which I just showed you, and it does help. I know it will smell on your hair, probably your hair will smell for like 2 days or 3 days, but it is worth the smell because it really helps, and I think a lot of people have already talked about it. So please go ahead and do that. It will help you to reduce your hair fall, and also it will help your roots and your scalp to get the new hair on your scalp. So honestly, our hair will always fall because they also have certain time limit. After that it will fall, it will keep falling, because this is how it is, this is how our body is designed, and new hairs will come. As long as your new hair is coming and your existing hair is okay, it is fine. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.